We're on the river trail, south side of the river in Missoula, Montana. This trail was paved with asphalt a year and a half ago in 2010, May. There was debate briefly about the appropriateness of a fossil fuel asphalt right next to our beautiful river. Missoula Institute for Sustainable Transportation asked to do a demonstration, and the Parks and Rec Department gladly accommodated that request. They even spearheaded the notion that we could do something different than asphalt after the concerns were raised by citizens. Mainly the city wants better wheelchair accessibility, better maintenance in the winter, less mud. So there's an unpaved section. Yes, it is more muddy. Up ahead is the 600 linear feet that was left unpaved for our demo. We're researching pine resin, soil stabilizers, paving stones. So we've had 2 days of rain. This is actually not bad at all. The water goes through. We'd like to do a test without fenders on our bike, go through and see how much mud splatters up. This is kind of a limestone, gravel with some clay, packed trail. It was an old rail bed. It's really well packed underneath. This is okay for wheelchairs. It is hard to plow in the winter, but some of our tests have showed that this is actually more bikeable and walkable in the winter than the asphalt that gets ruts. See our website at strans.org for more info, and let us know of alternatives to asphalt and concrete that are good for the environment and the community.